What is up, everybody? So we're back for another one. As promised, I told y'all there would be some 10th gen content coming soon, but a lot of y'all are probably going to be upset with what I'm about to say. So when I did my original video showing all my mods and everything, a lot of people really liked my diffuser, but I'm tired of it, and I want to say it's either that or it's just a couple of other factors, but my tires are starting to scallop, and I think part of it is because it catches a lot of like backdraft and everything, so it makes the rear end of my car kind of wiggle. I don't know the science behind it, but for some reason my tires are scalloping, but that's besides the point. Either way, I wanted to take it off, but as you know, a while back I did the 2020 rear valences or garnishes, whatever you want to call them, but I never did the 2020 like rear lip. So that's actually what we have here today. I haven't opened it yet, but here's the parts number for the finish cover. It'll go right over the exhaust, so if you need to, go ahead and pause it here. And here is the part for the actual bumper piece. All right, so let me go ahead and get this unwrapped. We'll take a look at it, and then I'll go ahead and start pulling everything off of the back. I know it would be a lot easier if I pull my bumper off, but I don't feel like doing that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it the hard way and probably get sweaty and aggravated. But it's just how it'll be. So let me go ahead and get this unwrapped, and I'll show y'all what it looks like if you don't know. All right, so here you have it. Again, it's a subtle difference, but it definitely is more aggressive looking than the one that came on the 2018s. But so there should be 6 clips. Sorry, I was getting ahead of myself. On the bottom parts here, and then there'll be these 2 at the top, which you'll have to kind of reach in there, and I'm gonna make it harder for myself again by not pulling my bumper off. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this off. So, seemed quick for y'all, forever for me, but yeah, so this is what it'll essentially look like without it. It looks like it got a fucking lift kit on it now, but I'm not even worried about it, honestly. I plan on either bagging or lowering this car some more, so let's do this other side. Alright, we finally got that other piece off. Took forever, but alright, now time to start popping out the clips and hopefully get this lip off in a hurry. So definitely would recommend taking the bumper off. That was super hard, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on, and I will show y'all what it looks like, because I don't want to make this boring and keep time lapse and everything. So the hardest part is definitely getting those last 2 at the top, and I knew it would be. I actually broke one of the clips, but it should be all right. It'll still hold it in place and everything, and we should be good. So I'll show you all the final product in a second, and yeah, so just bear with me. Alrighty guys, so I cleaned my car up a little bit, but here you have it. Again, car looks stupid high now, but I have something else coming for the rear end, so no need to worry. Yeah, I really like the way this looks better. It's a lot more, well, simple but aggressive at the same time, especially compared to having the fins. So I really like it. My dad just passed by, he said he liked it, so awesome, you know. I've been putting off doing it because I just have a lot going on right now with the wedding and getting ready to move and all that stuff. Either way, it's like I said, I know some of y'all will be upset because a lot of people really did like it, but I feel like it was a little bit too ricey. Even the wing at this point is a little bit much for me. I do have a duckbill that I tried to put on, but my plan for blocking the holes for the wing did not work out. So I need to go back to the drawing board on that. I might end up just putting vinyl over it and just calling it a day, I don't know. But the main reason why I want to take the wing off as well is because of this. If any of you have an ABS Dynamics wing, you'll know that it's not nearly as sturdy no matter how bolted down it is. So when you're doing about 70, it's just vibrating back there and it's pretty annoying. With that being said, that's why I want to take that off. And I also just noticed this, which is a little bit upsetting. I just got back from my bachelor trip from Austin, and I'm pretty sure I remember this happening, but my front fog light got doinked. So I'll have to order a new housing for that. And again, I've been kind of chilling out lately because wedding and everything else is a lot more important than doing all this car stuff. Just went by a couch making big boy moves and doing things like that. So with that being said, guys, I'd appreciate it if you leave a comment. Let me know if you like it better than the diffuser or whatever, and leave a like, you know, show your support, whatnot. But thank you. I know it was another short one. I'm a little bit burnt out lately trying to get everything together again, but regardless, thank y'all for supporting me and watching, and y'all have a good one.